Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've got your footage in Kinemaster. Now place it on the timeline and set the playhead at the first line of dialogue. Tap the layer button and choose text to add a new subtitle layer, then type the exact words you want visible. Once done, drag the text layer's edges to match the clip segment so the subtitle appears only during speech. Make sure to use split when the line ends so timing stays tight and readable. Next, style the subtitle so viewers can read it instantly. Pick a high contrast color, add a semi-opaque background or shadow, and choose a clear sans serif font. Then refine timing by playing back and nudging the text layer's edges in small increments. This aligns words to speech. For multi-line lines, shorten lines for faster reading and position the text low center. Make sure to preview at full resolution so size and placement work across devices. Finish by duplicating your styled subtitle layer and replacing the text for subsequent lines. This keeps consistent formatting and saves time. Once all lines are placed and checked, export the video to hardcode subtitles or save the project if you want editable captions later. If subtitles drift after export, reopen the project to verify there were no unintended trims or frame rate changes. Re-export using
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.